Welcome everyone. So here is how you take a screenshot on the new Google Pixel 9 Pro or Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So we need to do a key combination. And so how we do this is we click and release both power and volume down. We do this quickly. So I'm going to click and release. It will take the screenshot. You can then share this one to Telegram or social media. You can edit the screenshot. Now I'll show this one more time. So power, volume down, click and release, and then the screenshot will take. Now, if you are struggling to take a screenshot with the physical buttons, like this, maybe the phone's locking or the volume's going down, then an alternate way to take a screenshot on the Google Pixel 9 Pro is we first need to enter multitasking. So I'll swipe up and hold, and then we will enter the multitasking. And so you can see the preview of all of your apps. So we can just tap that screenshot button here on that app you want to take a screenshot for, and we'll tap that and it's going to take a screenshot of the preview. So a real world scenario, open my mail app, for example, and then I see an email which I want to screenshot. I then enter multitasking, tap on screenshot, and then that's going to take a screenshot without pressing the buttons.